Hello, dear students. Let us begin with the next concept of the third chapter, that is current electricity. In the previous class, we learned about the resistors and the type of resistors. Resistor is a device which opposes the flow of electrons in a conductor, right? Resistor is always denoted by the alphabet capital R, okay? And there are two types of resistor. First one is the wire bound resistors, and the second one is the carbon resistor. Today in the group, I had sent the photos of the wire bound resistors, that is the rheostat and the resistance box. Hope you have seen the photos today. Okay, and I told you we'll start the carbon resistors in the next class. So we will begin with the carbon resistors. We will study about the carbon resistors. Carbon resistors are made up of carbon, and they are much cheaper compared to that of the wire bound resistors. They are very small and they are of various values. Okay. Carbon resistors, okay, in carbon resistors, the values are not printed, whereas in the wire bound resistors, that is the resistance box, you can see the values written on them. Okay, but here in this carbon resistors, you will find the color bands. Okay, so the carbon resistors are like this. You can see the color bands. There are different colors on this. In the first resistor, you can see golden, orange, white, and orange. In second one, you can see yellow, violet, black, and golden. Similarly, you can see different colors in the different resistance. Okay, they are very small, very small. Okay, so you can see the different colors. Now we will understand the color coding, how the color coding is done, and how you will find the value of the resistance or the value of the resistance of a single resistor by doing the color code. Okay, this is very interesting and a very important concept. You may get this question for 2 or 3 marks in your board exams, but this is going to help you in your entire education if you are taking physics or electronics or mechanical engineering or anything. Okay, this is going to help you because in most of the laboratories, like in electronic laboratories, if you are doing engineering or BSc or something, and when you're in the practical, they don't teach you this. Okay, they directly give you and you have to find the values, and the values will not be written on them. If they give you these resistors, you need to do the color coding and find the value. So you'll get only around 1 or 2 marks from this question, from this chapter in your board exams, but this color coding will help you if you're taking engineering or BSc physics or electronics or something like that. So let us begin with this. So as you can see, the resistors, they have wires at both the ends. Okay, they are very thin wires. Here you can see they are looking thick, but they are not thick. They are like a string, small string. Okay, very thin string, and this is made up of carbon, and on that there is a coating, and then they paint the color bands. Okay, they are different colors. So what are the different colors? We will see the procedure. See, and these carbon, there are different types, there are different size. Okay, you will find, see, in the previous one you find 4 bands, right? 4 band conductor resistors, but now here you can see 6 bands, 5 bands, 7 bands. Okay, they vary. You can see he is holding with his finger, right? Just a single 2 fingers he's holding. You can imagine how small they are. Okay, and they are very cheap. So you can bend the wires, okay, and you can connect it in the resistor. They are very small and very useful, I can say. So let us understand the color coding. Very interesting. Please understand the color coding, and very simple. Okay, so let us understand the color coding. See, here you can see, I'll take the example of the 4 band resistors. Okay, so here you can see 4 colors, right? One is orange, one is green, one is orange, and the last one will be either gold or silver. Please remember the last band, that is the tolerance. You can see the name tolerance over there. The tolerance color will always be silver or gold or no band. There will be no color band. Okay, remember that either tolerance band will be gold or silver or nothing. Okay, and these 3 colors, like you can see orange, green, and orange, they are of some 9 colors. Okay, they are 9 colors and they are different colors, or they may be same. We'll learn the coding now. The first band which is in it's not orange, it's red. The first band indicates the first digit. first digit of the value. If you are writing the capacitance value like 4000 or 2000, say something, or 47 or 57, the first digit is always the first band, and the second digit is the second band. Okay, and the most important, the third band is always the multiplier. The third band is always the multiplier. If you have many bands, like say if you're having 6 bands, first 1 2 3 4 will be the values, will be the digits only, but the band next to the band which is previous to the tolerance band will always be a multiplier. So what is this multiplier, what is a tolerance, we'll see in the next slide. Okay, see, now you can see the color coding. I will write it and explain you in the next slide, but just understand this slide. Okay, see, in the first one you can find the carbon resistor. The first band is yellow, the second is violet, the third is the multiplier, that is red, and the fourth one is the tolerance. So now if you see this slide, you can see the colors: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and white. Okay, so there indicates the number. There are the numbers. Okay, see, first digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should remember this color coding chart. It is very important, very, very important. You should keep that in mind. Okay, so how to remember it? It has a simple trick I will show you. Okay, first see the chart. I'll just explain it and then we'll see in the detail. See, the black has the first, the value of black is 0. If it is in second place, then also it is 0. That means, see, in case, see, what is the first band in that resistor? First band is yellow. Okay, the value of yellow in first digit is 4. And in second band, the color is purple. And the value of second digit in purple is 7. Okay, and the multiplier is red. It is into 1000. How to calculate it, I will show. But this is the color coding chart. Color coding chart. So let us understand. I will write it here and let us understand how the color coding is done. So now, see, I told you black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. So how do you remember? And it should be in order. No? There should be no change in the order. It should be in order. So the easiest way to remember is that this was taught to me by my teachers, and it is taught everywhere. It is taught everywhere. You can check in Google also. The easiest way of remembering is, remember this sentence, which I'm going to tell you now. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife with gold and silver. So this is how I was taught to remember by my teachers, and I'm teaching you the same. If you type the same thing in Google, like B.B. Roy of Great Britain, it will take you to the color coding of the resistors only. Okay, so how to remember? See, B.B. Roy, B.B. Roy of, okay, Great, I'll write it. Okay, wait. Let me write the colors first and then I will write it in front of that. Okay, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, and silver. So this is B.B. Roy. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife with gold and silver. So this is how you remember. So don't get confused with this B and B. B, it starts with black and brown. Okay, and this G is green and this G is gray. So there are 2 repetitions and one is last is the gold. But this 2 B, black and brown, green and gray, and gold. So please remember, okay? So it is very easy. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife with gold and silver. This is how I was taught by my teachers. And I told you, you can see, you can Google it. You just type B.B. Roy of Great Britain. It will definitely take you to the color coding of the resistors. So now let us understand. I'll write it and I'll make you understand. See, first one is black, brown, okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Make the chart and you will understand. Blue. In the beginning, you can't do it without the chart. Try to use the chart, practice using the chart. As you keep on practicing, you can easily code the resistor when you take it in hand. When I was in my master's and my degree, by seeing the resistor, we used to do this color coding directly, because this was in our head. It was printed in our head, like, okay, what comes after what and what are the values, and we used to multiply it, and we would directly get into the values. But for you, it's the beginning. You need a chart. Okay, violet, gray, and white. So these are the colors. And whereas gold and silvers are the tolerance. Gold and silver are the tolerance. So now what is the value of this black? It is 0, brown is 1, red 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what will be the multiplier? This is the first digit. And even the second digit, if there is a second band, the value will be same. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the value will be same. Okay, you need not to write, if there are 6 bands, you need not to write all the bands. One is enough. The value will be same. So don't write this just because of your understanding. I'm telling. For example, if you get a band of black and yellow, first band will be 0, of course, because black is in the first band. Second band will be yellow, and the value will be 4 in second band also. See, the first line and the second line, I mean first row and the second row are same. So no need to write 2 columns. One is enough. And the multiplier. Next comes the multiplier. 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 8, and 10 raised to 9. These digits are very easy to understand. It starts from 0 and ends to 9. But the order of the color is very important. Don't jumble the order of the color, okay? You will get the wrong value. Remember this, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife with gold and silver, and you can easily write the colors. Okay, don't change the order. Now, what about this tolerance? Gold has the tolerance of plus or minus 5%. I'll tell about this tolerance, how to calculate this tolerance also I'll tell, but understand the chart. Silver has the tolerance of plus or minus 10%. And if there is no band on the resistor, neither silver nor gold, if it is not there, then we say no band has plus or minus 20% tolerance. Okay, plus or minus 20% tolerance. Tolerance means, so what do you mean by tolerance? Tolerance means the value of variations of the resistance. Either it is plus or minus, the variation. Tolerance is the value of variation. It is varied between, for example, it is varied from 10,000 to 2,000. The resistance is between 1,000 to 2,000, like that. It's the variation. Now let us consider one example of a carbon resistor. We'll consider one example so that I can tell you how to get the value. So I will erase this part. Let me erase this part. Okay. So let us consider the carbon resistor of the color band yellow, violet, black, and gold. What are they? Yellow, violet, black, and gold. So I will write it here. The first band has the color yellow. Second has violet. Third has the color band is black, and the last band has the color gold, which is the tolerance. Okay, now see, what is the value of yellow in the first digit? What is the value of yellow? First and the second digit will always be same. You don't have to get confused. What is the value of yellow? This is the value of resistor in ohms. Okay, nothing but the number. So see, where is yellow? Yellow has 4. So this is 4. Okay. What about the violet? Violet has 7. So it is 7. And what is the multiplier in the black? Multiplier in the black is 10 raised to 0. And what is the tolerance of the gold? Plus or minus 5%. So now how will you write it? R, the value of resistance R is equal to, just write 47. You don't need to add this, multiply it, nothing. Just write it as a digit, first digit and the second digit, units place and tens place. Okay, 47. Then you should multiply the multiplier. Okay, first is always the digit. Just write the digit. Okay, if you have any color, say orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, any color, the value, just write the value. Okay, so just write this value. These are the values. So I wrote 4 and 7, 47 into 10 raised to 0. What is the multiplier for black? It is 10 raised to 0. And what is the tolerance? We'll write it lastly. So now this becomes, what is 10 raised to 0? 10 raised to 0 is nothing but 1. So 47 into 1 will be 47. This is in terms of ohm. The SI unit of resistor is ohm. 47 ohms with plus or minus 5% tolerance. So this will be the value of the carbon resistor with the color band yellow, violet, black and gold. Okay. If I consider the same color in the next case where the multiplier is with the red, the same example I'll consider, but the multiplier is red. How will you do that? Multiplier is red and instead of gold, I'll say it's a silver. So shall I write it here? This will be yellow, violet. Okay. The multiplier will be red. And instead of gold, I write silver. So what will be the value? Value of yellow is 4. So this becomes 4. Violet is 7. What is the multiplier for red? 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2. Silver is plus or minus 10%. So now just calculate the value of the resistance. 47, you just write it, 4 and 7, 47 into 10 raised to 2 plus or minus 10%. So what is 47 into 10 raised to 2? That is 47 into 100. Very simple, 47 into 100. So you will get 4,700, which has a tolerance of 10%. Now, what does this tolerance means? How to know the range? This is to know the range, tolerance is the range. So how to know the range means where does this, what do you say, this resistance 47,000, it comes under which range? How to do that? Let me erase this. I'll show how to see the tolerance. So the tolerance is 10%. So how do you calculate percentage in your mathematics? The same thing you should apply over here. So I'll show you. See, again my pen is not writing. Okay, so the tolerance will be so write it. What is the value of R? 4,700. We got, right? 4,700 ohms we have got. The value of 4,700, you can write this 4,700 as 4.7 kilo ohms. Okay, 4.7 kilo ohms or 4,700 ohms, or you can write 4.7 kilo ohm. Now how to calculate the tolerance? 4,700 into the tolerance is 10%, will be 100 divided by 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. 47 into 10 will be 470. Okay, now how to calculate the tolerance? Again, my pen is not writing. I don't know why it is troubling me today. Okay, so 4,700, the value of resistance plus this 470 and 4,700 minus 470. Why I'm taking both plus and minus? Because they have given plus or minus 10%. So what will be 4,700 plus 470? It will be 5,170, right? Am I right? 2. What will be 4,700 minus 470? It will be 4,230. Therefore, the value of resistance of this resistor lies between 5,170 to 4,230. So this is what is meant by tolerance. You don't have to calculate the tolerance. You just need to write plus or minus 10%, plus or minus 5%. That's it. This is for your understanding. I have told you how to calculate the range. Just percentage, add and minus, you will get the range. This resistance 4,700 lies between the value 5,170 to 4230. Understood? Okay. So now let us go to the next part. You will get this question. You may get this question for around 1 or 2 marks, or you may get the reverse question also. Like they will give the value like this, like R is equal to 47,000 ohm, and they will ask you to write the color of the resistor, the color bands of the resistor. How will you do that? It is also very simple. I'll explain you. See, I'll explain you. Let us consider the example. If the R is given 2000 ohms. So now they will ask you, with the tolerance plus or minus 20%. So now they will ask you to find the color band. How will you write that? Very simple. Write it. 2000. 2 is the R is equal to 2 is the first digit. Okay. 0 will be the second digit, and these 2 digit will be the multiplier. Therefore 10. 0 0. What will be 10? 0 0 is 10 raised to 2, because 2 0 10 raised to 2. And the tolerance is plus or minus 20%. So what is 2? 2 comes for which color? 0 is black, 1 is brown, 2 will be red. What is 0? 0 is black. And what is the tolerance of 10 raised to 0? Red. And this plus or minus 20 is no band. So the resistance has the color code of red, black, and red. Simple, very simple. Just do it. First 2 digits, like I said, first 2 digits will always be the value, just the value. 2 is red, 0 is black. And this one, 0 0 will be 10 raised to 2. If you had one more 0, it will be 10 raised to 3. What comes for 10 raised to 3? That you write. So very simple. This color coding is very simple. So this is how you get the color bands. If they ask you this type of question, you should arrive at the color bands. And if they give you the color and they ask you to find the value, then you should put the value and arrive at the value of the resistance. Okay, understood? Very simple. The color code, the advantages of these carbon resistors, as I told you, they are small and easy to handle, and they are cheaper than the wire bound resistors. Understood? So this is all about the color coding of the resistors.